So, according to Faith, Onale Rona Zobuhle Mulapo just needs to move on. She needs to let go of the hurt, the anger, the pain, and allow Nkosi Zwide to move on with his life too. Because she feels that she's still holding on to the past and they are in the new now. And there is no need for her to be loyal to Shoki because Shoki is not here anymore. Now we need to allow Nkosi to move on with his life, regardless of who he chooses to move on with, because now, according to Honor, it's giving you actually were together while my friend was still alive, and then now you're just continuing where you left off. It feels like a bit of a betrayal to her because she is failing to understand why her, why couldn't it be anybody else, why out of the entire world it has to be her, and knowing the history. And then now she was so shocked to realize that Faith also knows about this. As a matter of fact, she agrees with the thought and she feels that there is nothing wrong there because now Nkosi won't be cheating on anyone. He is a single man now and he needs to move on. And she emphasized that I think wherever Shoki is, would prefer him to be happy than be sad and sobbing sorrow all his life. He would rather much be happy with whoever it is, but I don't think it would be with Palisa. But I'm just saying, from my point of view, it wouldn't be Palisa of all people. Come on. But again, that's how Faith sees things. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing House of Zwide. Ndimadekwa na sanbana absheni melweni minjari ibukele hingagwina. So namuhla kana ngona kwa hina wa House of Zwide hikuma korosla tsamsekange kahle, looking at the fact that le kwa mahali dobola ziyasha now yalikhumbula lesiboshwa lesi Musa goes there to Batala Mahali, but then he misunderstood the assignment because now Abumalume Baba Puma, they were trying to rehearse Abamulapo Njanjani. Yeah, now he goes there and then start taking that Mulapo saying bona when angeke ayikho into zositshela ngayo ngesintu because okwamanje nje uhleli nomfazi azange umlobole, so ayikho into zositshela ngayo kaMahadi ngoba wena kwawena self awulandelela umthetho. Athi lalela la uzungidelela kwami nangabe mhlawumbe ungenawo umthetho, yabona la kamlapho la uzozwa ngami and ema ungafuni ke yes, Isaac Malapa has to put his foot down and everybody else has to follow. Now, the problem became when they knocked at the door and then they thought they're not going to open for them, and then they did open for them, and then babegi mali mvulamlo, okay, iyokuvulelwa amasango. And then guess who was there? It was Mulife. Mulife was there to collect the money, and then he started keeping quiet all this time. And then at some point, as they add the money, and then beso yabangenisa ke mabangena ngebhodlela kwaba mnandi mase bahleli nje bathi bayaqala bayakhuluma ke beso musa ke, and then he off-ramped. On his off-ramping, Mampo ashuka mo, and then she's like, hi khora uri vele and then the ba khombe nkapuleng yo ashuwe Pinky are dzikani Mampo dzikani yo. Pinky tries to calm Mampo down and try to tell Mampo, okay, this is how lobola actually goes. Obviously, kuzobana kungazwani kahle, but at the end of the day, you're gonna get married, child. And at the end of the day, they're gonna agree. They're gonna have to compromise because the people that they have to put in perspective is you and your husband to be. So at the end of the day, kuzolunga. When you just need to calm down because you're being all melodramatic for nothing. Inyamazo Pinky mos. And then now Mampo had to come down and the soga like belimile soga lezwe ngale ngase Winden, which is not allowed by the way, but actually she did it because she's Mampo against all odds. Now Tate Isaac Ashu utlaka mokamereng, and then coming to give feedback. Everybody is nervous, everybody's heartbeat is rising off the chest, and he says they have agreed. And then everybody now was happy. And then it looks like everything on their side, it's going pashash. Now, Maria also came to compliment the dress. Ari, my daughter, Maria. And everybody was just happy, but there was a moment that happened between Ukeletso and Onale Runa, where Keletso was saying, how do you actually feel that Mampo is marrying your ex-boyfriend that was serious with you. Probably this could have ended into you being you that is getting married today. How are you feeling? Where do you see yourself? And I think that was a bittersweet moment. But yeah, I think she was about